Hi, my name is Angus Ho with Daddy Dat, a part of the Ash Management Group. I want to show how you can budget as a full-time engineer, make real estate investments, and live an exceptional family life as a dad. So, come along with me in this journey of wealth. There have been many articles about success and strategies to become successful. Should you have a desk job or should you venture out to do something on your own? Either path will make you successful if you devote and apply yourself. For many people, the corporate life is what they have chosen, and this is what I have done. So today, I want to tell you a little bit about my job, why I love it, and some of the benefits of a 9-to-5 job. Just remember, having a 9-to-5 job is part of the ASH method of accumulate. A source of income will allow you to invest more money, which will let you reach that dream goal of yours faster. Whether it's that dream house that you've always loved, travel the world without restriction, or become financially independent and retire early. In this video, I will share with you why I love my 9-to-5 job. The first reason is that it sets up an environment for a healthier work-life balance. There are so many great things to do at my workplace. One of the greatest perks is the work that I do. As an embedded engineer, I'm at my desk, I'm signing up being hands-on, I'm going around talking to people that work there. Not only is the work great, but so is some of the perks. There's always a free lunch at the workplace, beers that you can drink from, and even pet dogs that roam around the office to put a smile on. A 9-to-5 job gives you a bit of variety to your life and is a great part of a balanced, healthy work life. A 9-to-5 job really allows you to have a strict schedule, and when you're done, you can do whatever you want. These types of job normally pays you quite well and is the main source of income. Who said you can't have a full-time job and do YouTube at the same time? It's a lot more work, but it's doable. In some articles that I've read, Kevin O'Leary even expressed that he works 24 hours a day. He gets as little as 6 hours of sleep every day and power naps for 20 minutes whenever he can. So if you like working at odd and end hours, being on call 24/7, then this might be a job for you. This is one of the reasons on what I mean about healthier work-life balance when you have a 9-to-5 job. To me, the only difference between being an entrepreneur and an office job is whether you want to work for a boss or if you want to grind and hustle every day to make your dream a reality. Either way, it's going to be a lot of hard work. To me, you either love what you're doing or you don't. It might take a lifetime to figure out what you're good at, and when you find it, life will be so easy. Reason 1.5 is it's an opportunity for me to get away from those dislike trolls. Hurry, smash that like button and get those dislike trolls away from me. Quickly, hurry, those dislike trolls are fearless. Thanks for helping me out, and now we can return back to my reasons for I love my office job. The second reason why I love my 9-to-5 job is that it allows access to a work community. Over the years, I found that networking is a huge part of being successful. Having friends with money or influence really helps in progressing your career. For example, finding a job in a difficult situation is really helpful to rely on the people you know to find a job. In the workplace, it's just as important to know people, get to know your coworkers, find mentors that help you grow, be part of life, and enjoy some pastime hobbies with your fellow teammates. Being at an office job helps you give so much more opportunity quicker. Some of the things that my company does is a potluck, basketball, volleyball, floor hockey, we even play board games, we have podcasts, there's a rock climbing group, and much, much more. The only thing I love about a work group is that getting people to join is easy and asking for committed people is so much easier. The other thing I love about the work community is the amount of stuff you can learn from all various kinds of people. There are many departments like accounting, engineering, legal, assembly, project management. If there is a sub-area you want to learn, asking the work community is a great way to start. In contrast, asking a complete stranger on the internet is a lot tougher. Why I find mentorship so useful is that you have an opportunity to learn from them. You can put yourself in them to see how they did it. What did they need to do and what kinds of reward did they receive? So mentorship is another great thing about having access to a work community within a 9-to-5 job. The third thing that a 9-to-5 job provides you is personal growth. There are two main areas that an office job develops: character and tool set. Both of these areas are so important in personal growth as it unlocks your potential to have more skills, open more doors, and floods new opportunities as you try on new things. For me, one of the hardest things to do was start this YouTube channel. If it wasn't for the meetings that I presented in or helping others to troubleshoot their problems, then I don't think I would have had the courage to even make this video. Therefore, it's important to have an office job at the beginning to hone skills that you might not be able to get anywhere else. The second area of personal growth is the tool sets. You will find anywhere else that needs your skill and ability than at the office. Let's take, for example, Excel. At home, you might only need a few functions: add, subtract, max, min, and VLOOKUP, and those SUMIF functions. At the office, however, you will need things like macros, statistical functions like norm and standard deviation, conversion formulas like binary to hexadecimal, and things like that. Not only will you learn these functions, but you will have a good use for them, and you will learn what kind of shortfalls these functions have in Excel and find more solutions to them. As an engineer, there are many programs and apps that you may never have time to explore yourself except at the office. These things could be servers and IT management programs, enterprise resource planning programs like SAP, professional accounting and stock trading platforms like Bloomberg Terminal and Quicken, engineering platforms for computer-aided designs like SolidWorks, AutoCAD, Visual Studio, and Altium. These platforms, to me, is so exciting to learn from and develop. Not only will the company pay for the unlocked full version, you will have access to the full library of features without any restrictions. These tools are very important to learn, as you will never know if in the future you will need to use it. Make sure you spend the time to learn it. These three reasons are why it's important to me to have a stable 9-to-5 job. It provides financial security to me and my family. It provides a community and personal growth for myself. Look at me, I'm doing great myself, being an everyday dad, working hard as a full-time engineer and staying out of debt. Then, by using the ASH method strategically to invest in real estate and the stock market, I can now run a side company that manages over $3 million in properties. Because of that, he travels the world with his wife every year and lives in a 2,000 square feet house. Until finally, I'm now 90% plus of the way there to becoming a millionaire. Also, if you haven't yet, join me at the Daddy Dad Facebook group to talk about your finance questions. Ask the YouTube community your questions by commenting below. If you'd like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment down below on what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Wednesday and Sundays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Dat saving you money.